Hello. In this video, we'll show how the Hindu method can be used to prove the quadratic formula. We'll begin with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. We'll assume that's true, and then we'll see how we can derive the quadratic formula. The next step would be to bring the c, well, transpose the c, bring the c over to the right side. And we'll leave the left side alone over there. And the next step is to multiply both sides by 4a. So we'll do that. Multiply both sides by 4a. After having done that, distribute the left side, expand the left side. We'll have 4a squared x squared plus 4abx equals, well, let's change the order a little bit on the right side just for nicety, negative 4ac. Next, we add b squared to both sides, which I'll do here in green, plus b squared, both sides. Now the left side is a perfect square trinomial, as we're about to see. We'll write the binomial that corresponds, the squared binomial that corresponds to the trinomial. Well, let's see now. We have 2ax and then a plus b. And we can check that by saying, look, does the square of 2ax, what is that? It's 4a squared x squared, and that's indeed the first term of the trinomial. Over here, the b squared, give us the third term of the trinomial, so that's good. And then the final check is, does the product of the two terms in the binomial doubled over give you the middle term? So we have 2ax times b, which is 2abx. Double that, multiply by 2, you got the middle term. So everything is good on the left side. On the right side, let's just change the order, partly for historical convenience. It'll look more like the way the quadratic formula ends up looking. Take the square root of both sides. 2ax plus b. And then we have a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac on the right. Great. Left side, all this complication of squaring, square rooting just disappears. All right. And right side, no change. It's the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Now we'll transpose the b. The b that's on the left will come over to the right side. Change the side, change the sign. That's the shorthand for a transposition of a term. And now we're almost done. All we need to do is to multiply both, multiply in a sense, but divide both sides by 2a is probably more germane here. So, gosh, how about we use red here? We're going to divide both sides by 2a, since that's the coefficient of x. 2a's would cancel out on the left, and we're just about done. We now have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2a. And that is the normal way, nowadays at least, the quadratic formula is stated. And we are done. Thanks.